What is the purpose of life? Why are we here? I mean, what is the point of all of this? Where is our journey taking us? Who put this tunnel here? Where does the tunnel go? Why do I come out in a different place? Why does this tunnel have a rainbow tail? Is this the life you imagined for yourself? Are you living the life you dreamed of? When will you awake from your sleep? Will there be food when I wake up? I like food. Food. This is Rocky, and he is awaiting his adventure. His life's dream is to bond with a family, with kids, and be a lifelong companion, loyal and loving. And this is Roman. His dream is to go on long walks and outings with his family, to let children hold him and dress him up in whatever costume they want, and to sit on the laps of his human parents, who he will comfort and care for. And these two loving sweetie pies will find purpose, will live life, they'll have adventures and share love with families who will bond with them unconditionally as new family members. So much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time on Sweetie Pie Pets. Bye-bye.